In this video, we're going to look into the basic algorithm scripting challenge. Number 4, find the longest word in a string. And the challenge is to return the length of the longest word in the provided sentence. In order for me to know what's going on in my code, let me console log this result. And for the time being, it's only returning the length of the string. And the first way I'm going to use is good old loop method, and to loop through each word I need to make them the separate words. So let me store it in a variable word. Words equals str dot split. If I only do this and return words, it's going to split everything. But if I put space here, it is going to find the spaces and going to split from that spaces. So now our word is ready. Now let me use for loop for let word of words and we need some sort of variable also to store our longest string length. So let me initialize it with 0 and let me return string length from here. For the timing, it's only 0 because I initialized it with 0, and for every word I need to specify that if word dot length is greater than str length, then string equals to word dot length, and this will get our result. If the length of the word is greater than what value here it is, it will assign that value for the string dot length. Suppose this one is 3 and current value of the string length is 0, so this string dot length's value will become 0. When it reaches this word, then it will become 5 because 3 is less than 5. This time it's equal, but when it reaches here, it's greater than the value which is here, so it becomes 6. That is how it works. And if I choose to do it with other way of looping or looping through the array, let me convert this and show you. For let I equals 0, I is less than words dot length I plus plus, and now if words I dot length is greater than str length, then str length equals words current iteration dot length, and this is going to work also. This is pretty much same, only difference is how we loop through these two. This is the ES6 way. Next method I'm going to use here is reduce method. Reduce is a higher order function that uses a callback as an argument. So let me return an array from this string with every word separate. This should be split, and I'm going to use reduce function on that array. And reduce function takes a callback. This callback I'm going to use two arguments, and from this callback I'm going to return the maximum number for accumulator and current. And math.max accumulator current value, and let me initialize it with 0, not current value but length of it. What happens here is initially the value of accumulator is 0, and the current value or current word will be this THE, and the length of the word is 3. So 3 and 0. The math.max returns the maximum value of the given numbers, and maximum number between 0 and 3 is obviously 3, and in second phase the accumulator is already 3, and the current value is this word. So the accumulator 3 and the current length of the current value 5. The math.max returns the maximum value 5. Here same. Here the accumulator is 5 already, but the length of the current value is 3, so it will obviously return 5 and assigns the value of accumulator as 5. Here the current value length is 6, and it goes so on and returns the maximum value, that is 6. Another method I'm going to use here is the map method. Map is another higher order function that takes a callback and copies the array and returns another array. So first, obviously I'm going to split it and make an array, and I'm going to use map function. Map function takes another function as an argument and return and copies the array. But since I'm not giving any rule how the array should be copied, so it's returning undefined. Let me give an argument word here, and for each word, if I return word itself, it's going to copy every word as it is and return. I'm going to return another array. So this is not going to help us. So what we should do is return word.length, and this is the array. Now we can loop through these arrays and return the maximum number. For that we can use for of or for loop, but here I'm going to use again the math.max function. But math.max function has another catch, that it does not return any value if I use an array inside. So I have to, let me comment this out and show you. Math.max, if I put array, it's not going to return anything. But if I put numbers here instead of an array, it's going to return the maximum number. Let me put next value 100, and it's going to return the next number. So I need to put each word here inside the math.max function, but for us we have an array returned from the string.split function. So what we can do is we can use ES6 feature, the destructuring method, and it works. So let me uncomment this and then use destructuring method, and it works again.